everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Enduro cock ring. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Enduro cock ring itself. Now you can enjoy a longer, stronger erection with this black cock ring. It's very flexible and stretchy and is made of a body-safe silicone, and it's very simple and easy to place around the shaft of the penis or testicles. Now it's substantially thinner than the Nexus Enduro Plus, which is slightly thicker than the Nexus Enduro. But they both provide wonderful stimulation. You can use this alone or with your partner as well. Now when using this cock ring, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant. And of course, make sure to clean the cock ring after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Nexus Enduro cock ring. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.